If you're new to AI and wondering where to start, this video is for you. Because today, I'll show you the best AI website for beginners that you can start using right now, completely free. Whether you want to make money online, create content, or boost your productivity, so this website will blow your mind. Stay till the end because I'll show you how to use it step by step, plus a few secret tips to help you get better results. Let's dive right in. Here's the truth. Most people jump into AI using random tools and end up confused. There's ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, Canva AI, and 100 others. But the real key is to start with one platform that's simple, powerful, and easy to use. And the best website for that is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your AI assistant, teacher, and even business partner, all in one website. Here's why beginners love it. 1. No setup required. Just sign up at chat.openai.com and start chatting. 2. It understands natural language. No coding, no complex commands. 3. It helps you with anything, from YouTube scripts, emails, resumes, to business ideas. 4. It teaches you. Ask it to explain like I'm 5, and it breaks things down simply. 5. It connects with other AI tools. You can use it with image, voice, and video AI platforms for full creativity. Visual tip. Show example prompts like, write a YouTube script about making money online. Explain AI like I'm 5. Create 5 TikTok ideas about fitness. Alright, let's walk through how to use it. Step 1, go to chatopenai.com and sign up for free. Step 2, choose a free or paid plan. GPT-4 gives faster, smarter results. Step 3, type your request naturally. Example, write a 1-minute script about side hustles in 2025. Step 4, if you don't like the answer, refine your prompt. Say things like, make it shorter, or use a fun tone. Step 5. Copy your results or use them in tools like InVideo AI to turn them into a full video with your voice and visuals. Here are a few tips to get the best results. Be specific. Instead of write a script, say write a motivational YouTube short in a friendly tone. Ask follow-ups. ChatGPT remembers your conversation, so build on your ideas. Use it daily. The more you chat, the better it gets at understanding your style. So, if you've been looking for the best AI website to start with, ChatGPT is the one. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and can literally help you turn your ideas into income. Now go try it today and unlock your creative potential. And hey, if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Empire. Share it with someone who wants to start their AI journey too.